On this cool evening, we find ourselves in front of a small sushi shop, warmly lit by red lanterns. The inviting glow seems to beckon us inside, promising a unique culinary experience. With excitement, we step toward the entrance, ready to discover the flavors that await us tonight. Inside, the warm scent of fresh rice and fish fills the air. The sushi chef moves with precision, carefully crafting each piece on the counter. Fresh tuna, salmon, whitefish, all arranged beautifully. Every bite here promises a taste of authentic Japanese flavors. Simple, yet truly crafted with care. The sushi chef carefully places each piece on the wooden tray. Delicate slices of salmon, shrimp, and rolls topped with fresh roe. Each piece is crafted with precision, every detail showing his mastery. The colors are vibrant, the textures inviting, and the aroma simply mouth-watering. This isn't just food, it's art on a plate, ready to be enjoyed. I take the first bite, and the flavors are perfect. Fresh fish, warm rice, a hint of wasabi. Simple, yet unforgettable. This isn't just a meal, it's a memory